Hey, fourth grade. Thanks for working today with each other on your writing rubrics and some other items. We appreciate you taking the time. Angie sent me an email wondering where do we put our writing rubrics now that we're done with them. So if you go to the agenda that I had shared about today, you can see that highlighted portion there is once our rubric is complete, where do we put it? So you're going to go to that link right there at the bottom that will take you to a snapshot of the district priority standards. You're going to go to fourth grade. Click on that link. This is going to take you to the priority standards document for all of the subject areas. Writing, math should be underneath this, I'm assuming. We scroll down a little bit. Yep, there's math right there. So you're going to go to the standard that you're dealing with for your writing rubric. So let's say it's the second standard here. You're going to click into that, and rubrics fall under the rigor or assessment section. So here you can say, see, this is the standard, and it should just line up with the standard I clicked into. So this standard: introduce a topic or text clearly, state an opinion, create an organizational structure in which related ideas are grouped to support the writer's purpose. That's the only standard we should be dealing with right now. Again, I'll click into that. So this particular unpacking document should really just have this one standard identified in this priority standard box. You don't need all these other ones, but let's focus for now on this. Prerequisite skills, again, should just be tailored to that particular standard. Learning targets, and then here's where your link to your writing rubric goes, rigor description. So in this box right here, you will put a link to your writing rubric. Okay, let's see if we can find an example back in this document here. If we look at, let's look at high school ELA as an example, see what they have here. So here's English 9 writing. If I click into this particular standard, it should take me to an unpacking document that, yep, is just lined up with that standard. You can see that's just the one standard. Here's the prerequisite skills, the learning targets, the rigor description. This is where, again, your rubric should be linked. And then they've got some of these other items here. So in here, for East Campus, they have their writing rubric linked right there. So I hope that helps. We will be able to spend some time on June 13th and 14th finalizing and tightening up these priority standards documents. In the meantime, if I can be of any help, if you'd like me to come over and walk you through any of this, please let me know. Thanks again.